I think this thing that stood out to me the most was just the sense of community that I was able to develop, especially with professors and faculty. Prior to coming to St. Joe's, I hadn't really had an experience where in an academic setting where I felt really connected to the people who I was learning from and learning with. And for the first time, I really felt like I was incorporated into my learning experience with my professors, both because of what they were doing in the classroom, but also because of what they were pushing me to do outside of the classroom in the community in Philadelphia. For the first time in my life, I looked at learning and being in a classroom setting as something that, one, I was really engaged with and finding myself good at, but also something that I was really excited by and realizing could have like real world impacts.